What's really been amazing to see is just how naturally excited people are to talk about the challenge on a day-to-day basis, whether it be someone just getting started and setting their goal and telling the world that they're taking on a 90-day challenge, or maybe it be finishing on day 90 as they step on a scale or across a finish line, and all of a sudden they experience that triumph and the joy just can't be held back. They want to go out there and share it with the world. So we got together and said, how can we take something that's already growing virally all across North America and make it grow even faster? Hence, the ViSalus 3 for Free program. So let's talk about what exactly you have to do to get your product for free every single month. All the program details are actually on 3forfree.visalus.com. But here's the basic gist. Simply refer 3 other customers, now notice I said customers, not promoters, to the same or greater challenge kit than you. As long as you have 3 other customers that are on the same or greater challenge kit from you by the end of the month, then your next month product will be shipped for free. Now don't worry if you end up referring customers that select a bunch of different kits that maybe aren't the same kit as you. As long as the total spend of your 3 or more customers is at least 3 times the price of your current challenge kit, we're still going to ship you your challenge kit for free. So not that I really have to address the question of why you might want to get your product for free delivered to your doorstep every single month, but let me just share with you 3 ideas that I have on the top of my head, starting with your success. Studies have shown that if you start a weight loss or fitness program with at least 3 people you already knew, did you know your odds of success nearly triple when you check back in 10 months later? Or how about the fun factor? Let's be real, if you're going to take a challenge, it's more fun to do it with your friends. Not to mention, isn't the best gift you can really give the gift of health? And trust me, you don't want to be the person that comes back 90 days later with the new improved you and have your closest relationships say, hey, how come you didn't tell me about it? So have fun. Get some people to do the challenge with you. Enjoy the journey. And probably the most obvious reason, it's free. Everything's better when it's free. The shakes taste better when they're free. Why pay for something when you can get it for free? Granted, you still pay for shipping, but let's face it, you get your challenge kit for free every single month. So those are some quick thoughts on why you might want to get the product for free every single month and what exactly you need to do to make that happen. Lastly, let's talk about how you might go about doing that. Starting with day 1, you want to make sure you go public with your goal. You should be proud that you're taking on the 90-day challenge. Tell the world. The more people you tell, the more support you're going to elicit, and that way you have people around you that are going to support you over the 90-day journey. So if you haven't done so yet, go to your Facebook page or your Twitter or whatever social network you're connected to your friends and family on and just throw up a post. I just started the Body by Vi 90-day challenge. My goal is to, whatever your goal is, lose 20 pounds or run a marathon or lower my body fat. You have to hear about it. You want to keep everyone updated on your progress as you're going through your 90-day challenge. Whether it be Facebook posts of photos or shakes that you're drinking, maybe it's a trial or a tribulation you're going through today. Be real with everybody along your journey. People are interested in supporting you. The great news about the Body by Vi Challenge community is there's success stories happening every day, virtually everywhere. So it's also good maybe to share the successes of others with people that you're connected with so they know this is something that's bigger than just your challenge. Matter of fact, a great place to find those resources are the ViSalus social media pages. Check out our Facebook page or our Twitter page. They fill up every day of brand new testimonies that you could simply share with people that you're connected with. Now, if you're the 1 or 2 people that are sitting there right now and maybe you're a little more old school and you haven't jumped into this whole Facebook thing, hey, you can take the old school route and simple before and after photos, whether they be pictures of your own progress or maybe people you know that are also on the challenge. Hey, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Go out there and share the successes. Another idea is simply wear the Body by Vi challenge bracelet that came with your challenge kit. Not only is it a great reminder every day for you to stay on track as you're moving toward your goal, but it's also a great conversation piece. A lot of people ask, hey, what's that about? Which opens the conversation for you to share what your goal is and how you're going about accomplishing that. We also equip all of our customers with their very own personalized Body by Vi challenge website. It's very, very simple. You right now have your own website that you can share with family, friends, contacts that explains what the challenge is all about. share your website with people that you're connected with. That's one of the best ways to explain what the challenge is doing for people all across North America. Another great resource that a lot of our Body by Vi Challenge customers love to utilize is our Vi Line. It's a very short, pre-recorded hotline that you can dial 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and fill anybody in anywhere on what the challenge is all about. If you haven't heard it, you want to dial this number, but definitely save it to your cell phone as well, so when you're in a dialogue or conversation, you can whip out your cell phone and let people listen to the Vi Line. 507-726-3700. Simple enough. Now, if you want to invite people to a live conference call, we do hold Body by Vi live calls every single Thursday at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. That's 10 o'clock Eastern. It's pretty cool to log in and hear thousands of people from all across North America, and you'll get a chance to hear from some previous Body by Vi champions, health experts, on how they're transforming their body and the bodies of others through the challenge. You might want to call in this Thursday to see what it's like and share that information with people around you. Now, one of the most effective ways to share the challenge with others is simply share your shakes. Once they taste the shake mix that tastes like a cake mix, they're going to ask what this is all about. And it's a great way to see if they want to join the challenge with you. If you want to bring shakes with you on the go, we've also developed what we call taster packs that actually provide a sample of the Body by Vi shake, as well as a short audio CD of the same information that's on the Vi Line. Check those out. In addition to handing out samples, a lot of customers love to hand out actual literature. Have you seen our Body by Vi Challenge journal that explains everything about the challenge? Or how about our Challenge magazine? Both of these are great additions to help share the challenge with others and see if they also want to try a challenge kit. Now, if you're really eager to get your product for free right away and you want to get 3 customers maybe all at the same time, I definitely recommend hosting what we call a 3 for free party. Matter of fact, this might have been how you were introduced to the challenge. You're going to want to invite a group of people, maybe 10, 15 people or so, over to your place for a casual social night where they get a chance to try some of the shakes and actually watch the overview DVD that explains what the challenge is. I'm willing to bet if you invite 10 to 15 people over, you're going to find by the end of that party, at least 3 of them are going to want to join the challenge with you, setting you up to get your product for free next month. And if you can't get 10 to 15 people to come over to your place, we say bring the party to them. Matter of fact, the information on the DVD is also available at overview.visalis.com, or the DVD is right in some of our magazines that you can hand out and people can watch in the luxury of their own home. If you want other education on this topic or want to hear exactly what we teach Body by Vi Challenge promoters to do to help bring the challenge to the world, then I even recommend checking out the Getting Started training that we put every single brand new challenge promoter through. It's only about a 10-minute video, and you can find that at gst.visalis.com. You don't have to do this by yourself. Whoever introduced you to the challenge, I'm sure is going to be very helpful in helping you get your product for free. So reach out to them and simply say, hey, I want my product for free. And they'll help you with one or all of the different tips that I just went through so you can find your 3 customers and get your challenge kit for free every single month. This is about your 90-day transformation. It's about your journey. And if you're really excited about the goal you set, and you're really committed to go out there and transform your body over the next 90 days, and you're willing to put yourself out there and tell the world that you're on a challenge and you're committed to that transformation, pretty soon you're going to find people reaching out to you, inspired, and asking how they can start a challenge of their own. Good luck on your 90-day challenge.